Well, it is time to celebrate birthdays and anniversaries on this glorious Monday morning, and we are beginning with Amelia Grace Kerr, who is turning the big number 1 today. A very happy birthday to you, Amelia.
All right, and Kai Harriman celebrating birthday number 4 this year. Kai is in Girard.
We've also got Isaac Zom turning 7 years old in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday to you, Isaac.
Hayden Pass celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Hope it's a great one, Hayden.
And we've got Brady Whitworth turning 12 in Humboldt, and this comes with love from Mimi.
And in Columbus, Tara Hutto celebrating the big 3-0 this year.
Very happy birthday, Tara. We've also got Levi Lehman turning 34 in Frontenac. Now that is a nice looking ride. Levi, happy birthday. Ride off into the sunset on this beautiful day.
And in Pittsburgh, Kelsey Ammerman celebrating 35 this year.
We've also got Samantha Puckett in La Harpe turning 42 this year. Very happy birthday to Samantha.
And in Columbus, the Reed twins are celebrating. Yep, that's Sean and Shane Reed. They're 42 years old this year.
And we've got Brent Sutherland in Galena turning 71 years old today. Hopefully he is spending this day out on the lake just like he is in that photo.
All right, and we've got Barbara Wills celebrating birthday number 84 this year. There she is, pictured with her bottles of Dorothy Lynch salad dressing. She's in Parsons.
And we've got Fred Edwards in Crestline celebrating a birthday. He celebrated an anniversary with his wife Angie back on Friday, so he's got a double celebration.
All right, and let's see, Carol Maddox in Columbus. There's safety first with her helmet on there. Happy birthday, Carol.
We're talking about how important that helmet can be in any activity that you're doing. We've got Lyndia McLaughlin in Wyandotte celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday to you.
And let's see, Blake and Lindsay Guffey are celebrating their 7th anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Guffeys.
And then we've got this guy. You may have seen him once or twice out in the field. I get to see him here often. One of the coolest folks that you could work with. This is Friends Wallace, one of our news photographers, also celebrating a birthday today. And doesn't he clean up nice? Look at that. That's a great looking suit. I'm envious. I can't pull off the purple like he can. I tried it once and it looked awful. Just looked awful.
He does look good in purple. All right, and Juniper Liberty celebrating birthday number 3 this year in Loma Linda. Tammy Wren celebrating down in Carl Junction, and Larry Vanetta in Miami. Happy birthday.
We've also got Sean Carlson in Miami, who's also one of our many 4-state heroes. So a very happy birthday to you, and thank you for your service. And we also have Eric Cole in Humboldt celebrating a birthday today as well.
All right, that is our birthday list for Monday, August the 15th. If you have a birthday or an anniversary you'd like to submit, all you have to do is email them to us at birthdayswithans, don't forget that S, at KOAMTV.com, or log on to our website and you'll find a link there as well at birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And don't forget, while you're there submitting a birthday, make sure you sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. You can get great deals from local businesses, and all you have to do to help celebrate your birthday is go to our website to sign up for the KOAM